Hello all, welcome to one more video about how to build a front-end website. How to build a front-end for a social network website with React.js. Today I'm gonna show you how to preview an image and upload it to the backend. You can find the project at GitHub in the link in the video's description. If you're ready, subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's go! In the previous videos, I've created multiple pages, where I can post new messages and list the messages of the community, and where I can search for existing users. The last step is uploading images. But before uploading, I want to verify them, make sure that I can see my face in the selfies. In a previous mode, add a title or a description and then upload it. I will use the existing images component, which will list all the images of the user and have an input form to let me upload. Let's create now a box for a single image. The image will contain the ID of the author to let me link with the user's page, the name of the author, the date of the uploaded image, the title of the image, and the URL of the image. Okay, when loading the images view, I will load the first 10 images of the community. And if I want, I have the More button to load more images. I've described the pagination in another video. The backend sends me the URL of the images to let the browser fetch the images. Let's run this to see the result. Let's add some CSS to the image box to have this a little bit more sexy. Better. And now, with the most interesting part, the preview of the image. Come back to the images component. I have the file reader of React, which will update the image of the input box when the image is uploaded. As I have a fixed site in the image element, the image will seem resized. If the user accepts the preview, then he can post the image form, accept the image form. This will upload the image to the backend. And finally, when the backend accepts the uploaded image, I append the image to the list, without any reload to show it at the top. Easy, right? The main part is the file reader of React, which will store the image temporarily. Meanwhile, the user decides if the image is correctly displayed or not. That's all for this video. If you like it, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to miss no videos. Bye!